should be an integral part of everyone's life. Sports help us to lead a healthy, active life. Sports also teach us to play honestly and with honorably, lose gracefully, respect authority, how to adjust with others, learn management and importance of time in our daily life. It's a really great notion at schools and colleges these days are putting humongous efforts on sports and are trying to make sports a part of students' everyday life. To commemorate the spirit of sports, sports days are being organized everywhere. Let us begin with a short poem. Sports improves our competence, brings into life top level brilliance. Sports bring out our mettle, give strength to face life's battle. Sports are the key to self-reliance, way to accept mistakes without defiance. Sports illuminate team spirit, inculcated in students the noble habit. Sports makes a boy a man, builds their strength 10 on 10. A very good morning to one and all present over here. We are all gathered here for the virtual annual event that is going to fill every one of us with oodles of power, self-confidence, and of course winning spirit. We are soon going to see adrenalines rushing through our bodies, competitive spirit reaching to greater heights. Happy cheers, the joys of winning and pride of giving our best. The event which I'm talking about is one of our favorite virtual annual sports day. Let's hoot and show to the world that we are energetic teachers of Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy. Let us now begin our sports meet. I would like to request Mrs. Ranjana Kolvankar Madam for the coconut breaking. Let us have a great round of applause.
I would like to request everyone to close your right hand fist and hold it against your heart. And we start with the sports pledge. Please repeat after me. We, the teachers of Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy,
We, the teachers of Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy,
unanimously take a solemn vow today that we will practice in today's individual events with zeal and enthusiasm and true sportsmanship spirit. We will try to abide ourselves with the rules and regulations of the game and commit ourselves to the rules given by our judges and referees. Thus, by accomplishing our task, we in turn will try to dignify the name of our school, state, and our country.
Very good.
Let me request Mrs. Ranjana Kolvankar Madam and Bristol teacher
our beloved Rawat Madam to play some games.
Advanced infrastructure is because of humanity. We are fortunate to lead and serve in an organization where you are our mentor, inspiration and motivation. You motivate us at every step in our life. You put that instant energy and teach us how to handle and balance our work life. You are amazingly hardworking and a symbol of courage. You are one of the greatest leaders and I respect you from the core of my heart. I welcome you, Mrs. Sarika Rawat Madam. Not all superheroes wear capes, some have teaching degrees. You inspire hope, ignite the imagination and instill a love of learning. We welcome you, Mrs. Ranjana Purnamkar Madam. I would like to request Mrs. Sarika Madam to illuminate us. I would request Mrs. Sarika Rawat Madam I would request Ranjana Madam to felicitate Sarika Rawat Madam with a token of love. I would request
Photo nahi?
Mrs. Sarika Rawat Madam to illuminate us with her words of wisdom.
Good morning, all of you. Very nice and pleasant morning this is, and such beautiful morning with all my loved ones. You all are my close to the heart. But honestly, I'm not prepared to say anything here. But it's my home. I'm amongst my family members. So I need not prepare. I should say whatever from my heart. Teachers, around 12 years ago, here there was nothing. 2000, if I go 2008. 2008 somewhere, beginning, the construction started. And you will not believe, within 1 year, this ground floor plus first floor and second floor, half the work was done by 2008, end of 2008. When we shifted here. So in short, I say that I have seen the development, how this gradually, this premises, this school is growing. And slowly and gradually the family went on expanding. I'm very glad that you all are slowly, you all have entered and you have become a very, very excellent and precious part and parcel of this institute. I pray Almighty, I pray Taramayi Barkat Madam's soul that Almighty and Mai gives you all such blessings that you all have, developed the inclination, lots of devotion towards the institute. You have very good bonding among you all. I pray and believe me, when there is a very good bonding among you all people, right from your administrator till the helping staff. Believe me, the school, the institution has a very bright future. And believe me, when any institute is growing, it's not any management is growing, it's not only any school is growing, it is all the development, all the progress and success of you all people. So please try and understand that you all become so gelled with each and everybody. You all become so much dedicated and connected to the institution, you will really enjoy your job. See this in this COVID, so many of our friends or our family members suffered, but we all were together. We all supported and all are very safe and fine. They have come back. So this way we have to face all the challenges. We have to always be one. Please, on this occasion, please, everybody, within your heart only, do not express. But please give me the promise that yes, we all will always remain one, right from your administrator till fourth class helping staff, right from nursery teacher till 10th standard. And then only I tell you, I foresee there is a very good chance of extension of our Srimati Taramani Vartak Memorial Academy. We can have really junior college, we can extend our building, so many good things can happen. Only and only your all well wishes, your all dedication is required, nothing else. Don't say that it is the management who is increasing or extending or expanding the institute. No, it is you all people. It is students, it is parents. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rawat Madam, for your inspiration and inspiring us each and every day. Now it is time for the prize distribution ceremony. It doesn't matter if the world don't stop by, if they don't hear your cries, if they don't read your story, if they don't understand or believe in your glory. So what, you have to begin again. Remember, you have so much to give. Leave over that and let the situation spin. Because at the end, you will definitely win. And this is the time when they will all come around because you are the winner and you have left everybody spellbound. A winner is not someone who's born a winner, but a winner is someone who puts planning to win, who prepares to win and expects to win.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are safe at home and taking proper care. Today, even when the world has come to a standstill due to a deadly pandemic, we at Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy CBSE are proud to be steadily holding on and continuing with our curricular and co-curricular activities. And it is my privilege and honor to be given a chance to call out the winners of annual virtual sports day for the academic year 2020-21. A winner is not someone who is born winner. Instead, a winner is someone who put plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. Now, we start with our Little Champs event. Alternate toe touch nursery Rose Lily boys. First prize goes to Boir Pratyush Ankush. Second prize goes to Chauhan Samarth Omkar. Third prize goes to Nayar Adhikrit Nitesh. Alternate toe touch Rose Lily girls. First prize goes to Sheikh Anam Sarwar. Second prize goes to Sharma Nandini Vishnu. Third prize goes to Parmar Akruti Hitesh. Let's have a big round of applause for the winner. Lemon and Spoon Nursery Rose Lily Boys. First prize is backed by Bari Vihan Bipin. Second prize is backed by Boir Vismay Praveen. Third prize is backed by Akash Binuman. Lemon and Spoon Nursery Rose Lily Girls. First prize is backed by Patil Hitvi Hitesh. Second prize is backed by Sheikh Anam Sarwar. Third prize is backed by Sharma Nandini Vishnu. Let's have a big round of applause for the winner. Book balance Nursery Rose Lily Boys. First place is secured by Chauhan Samarth Omkar. Second place is secured by Rajput Nikshit Sachin. Third place is secured by Kadam Rihan Abhishek. Book balance Nursery Rose Lily Girls. First place is secured by Patil Purti Ankur. Second place is secured by Chauhan Divika Harish. Third place is secured by Rane Arohi Arvind. Modified push-up, grade 1, boys. First place goes to Nalavde Aryan Nilesh. Second place goes to Mahadik Abhang Mahesh. Third place goes to Shingare Jay Santosh. Modified push-up, grade 1, girls. First place goes to Davle Aradhya Pravin. Second place goes to Naik Mahima Anil. Third place goes to More Sharanya Shailesh. Let's have a big round of applause for the winner. Tadasan, grade 1, boys. First place is backed by Kamble Harsh Kashiram. Second prize is backed by Patil Tanish Ravindra. Third prize is backed by Gayekwad Swarup Amol. Tadasan, grade 1, girls. First prize is backed by Naik Mahima Anil. Second prize is backed by More Sharanya Shailesh. Third prize is backed by Khandre Avni Shankar. T balance, boys. First place is secured by Samre Mayank Jayesh. Second place is secured by Shingare Jay Santosh. Third place is secured by Kamble Harsh Kashiram. T balance, girls. First place is secured by Raut Dhruvi Milkhetan. Second place is backed by More Sharanya Shailesh. Third place is backed by Patil Sanvi Ashish. One leg hopping, boys. First prize goes to Boir Parth Vishal. Second prize goes to Kini Paras Vishal. Third prize goes to Rayal Avnish Sanjeev. One leg hopping, girls. First place is secured by More Sharanya Shailesh. Second place is secured by Jadav Arohi Arvind. Third place is secured by Pandey Pankhudi Harish. Let's give a big round of applause for the winner. Modified push-up, grade 2, boys. First place is secured by Mahish Brian Joel. Second place is secured by Dalvi Vallabh Vijay. Third place is secured by Kadam Pranay Samir. Modified push-up, girls. First place is secured by Nambiar Anvita Kamlakashan. Second place is secured by Gavri Priyal Raghunath. Third place is secured by Chipte Sonakshi Vijay. T balance, boys. First prize goes to Sawant Om Ratnakar. Second prize goes to Mohanty Shreyas Satyapriya. Third place goes to Shanku Veer Satish. T balance, girls. First prize goes to Mali Tanishka Manohar. Second prize goes to Indrapur Shrihita Santosh Kumar. Third prize goes to Rathod Rutwa Hasmukh. Tadasan, boys. First prize is backed by Sawant Om Ratnakar. Second prize is backed by Mohanty Shreyas Satyapriya. Third prize is backed by Kadam Pranay Samir. Tadasan, girls. First prize is backed by Patil Reva Mahesh. Second prize is backed by Das Priya Darshani. Third place is backed by Gavri Priyal Raghunath. One leg hopping, boys. First place is secured by Kadam Pranay Samir. Second place is secured by Sawant Om Ratnakar. Third place is secured by Korgaonkar Kaustubh Parag. One leg hopping, girls. First place goes to Patil Reva Mahesh. Second place goes to Mali Tanishka Manohar. Third place goes to Naik Harshita Rajesh. Let's have a big round of applause for the winner. Squats, grade 3 boys. First prize goes to Agaskar Kaustubh Jitendra. Second prize goes to Jadhav Spandan Chandrakant. Third prize goes to Shirke Vihan Vaibhav. Squat, girls. First prize goes to Save Anaya Ketan. Second prize goes to Parmar Rashi Kiran Kumar. Third prize goes to Shinde Sanvi Sachin. Crunches, boys. First prize is backed by Agaskar Kaustubh Jitendra. Second prize is backed by Jadhav Spandan Chandrakant. Third prize is backed by Rahatwal Sarthak Ujwal. Crunches, girls. First prize is backed by Vishwasrao Sai Girish. Second prize is backed by More Vidisha Sachin. Third prize is backed by Shinde Sanvi Sachin. Surya Namaskar, boys. First prize is secured by Londe Vihan Vijendra. Second place is secured by Agaskar Kaustubh Jitendra. Third place is secured by Das Karanjit Devashish. Surya Namaskar, girls. First place is secured by Vartak Viha Deven. Second place is secured by Chindarkar Murmai Anand. Third place is secured by Shinde Sanvi Sachin. One leg hopping. Boys. First prize goes to Agaskar Kaustubh Jitendra. Second prize goes to Rahatwal Sarthak Ujwal. Third prize goes to Londe Vihan Vijendra. One leg hopping, girls. First prize goes to Parmar Rashi Kiran Kumar. Second prize goes to Chindarkar Murmai Anand. Third prize goes to Mohite Aradhya Ajit. Let's give a big round of applause for the winner. Squats, grade 4 boys. First prize is backed by Bane Grishma Suhas. Second prize is backed by Singh Shivam Jawar. Third prize is backed by Gargote Swaraj Santosh. Squats, girls. First prize is backed by Save Medha Ashish. Second prize is backed by Churi Rutvi Viraj. Third prize is backed by Das Shreya Priya Darshani. Crunches, boys. First prize is backed by Sheikh Samar Samir. Second prize is backed by Kadam Akshat Milin. Third prize is backed by Mudgal Samarth Darpan. Crunches, girls. First prize is backed by Boir Sanskruti Ankur. Second prize is backed by Dalvi Sonakshi Rajan. Third prize is backed by Das Shriya Priya Darshani. Surya Namaskar. Boys. First place is secured by Bane Grishma Suhas. Second place is secured by Chogle Harsh Prashant. Third place is secured by Boir Anish Vilas. Surya Namaskar, girls. First place is secured by Chaudhary Swarali Kishore. Second place is secured by Boir Sanskruti Ankush. Third place is secured by Mahaladi Vinisha Srinivas. One leg hopping, boys. First prize goes to Mudgal Samarth Darpan. Second prize goes to Gargote Swaraj Santosh. Third prize goes to Singh Shivam Jawar, one leg hopping girls. First prize goes to Boir Sanskruti Ankush. Second prize goes to Chaudhary Swarali Kishore. Third prize goes to Kale Dhruva Samadhan. Let's have a big round of applause for the winners. Sports Grade 5 Boys. First prize is bagged by Patel Kishan Kamlesh Kumar. Second prize is bagged by Subrajit Sudhanshu Raut. Third prize is bagged by Mayura Dhruv Dine Chandra. Grade 5 Girls. First prize is bagged by Nayar Devika Rajesh. Second prize is bagged by Savant Tejal Kiran. Third prize is bagged by Ubale Arohi Nitin. Crunches Boys. First place is secured by Naik Prathamesh Kiran. Second place is secured by Bhumare Arush Ashwin. Third place is secured by Shingare Pratik Ganesh. Crunches Girls. First place is secured by Nayar Divika Rajesh. Second place is secured by Kasar Swara Nilesh. Third place is secured by Satve Dhruva Bhupendra. Surya Namaskar. Boys. First prize goes to Naik Prathamesh Kiran. Second prize goes to Subrajit Sudhanshu Raut. Third prize goes to Savle Sahil Dattatri. Surya Namaskar. Girls. First prize goes to Nayar Devika Rajesh. Second prize goes to Patil Mansi Machandara. Third prize goes to Kulkarni Sarvari Avinash. One leg hopping boys. First prize is bagged by Sheikh Suhan Sultan. Second prize is bagged by Savle Sahil Dattatri. Third prize is bagged by Salke Yuvraj Santosh. One leg hopping girls. First prize is bagged by Zahida Sara Tanwar. Second prize is bagged by Nayar Devika Rajesh. Third prize is bagged by Patil Parthavi Panduranga. Let's have a big round of applause for the winner. Congratulations to all the winners. Best wishes to you. I am sure you all will make us proud. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.
I shall now request Vinita teacher to take over.
Question teacher. Congratulations to all the winners, dear students. At this time of pandemic also participated in all the events and activities with the same enthusiasm and zeal. Life is a game. We sometimes win and sometimes lose. Before I start, I would like to remember all those common people as well as doctors, nurses and all those who have lost their battle towards this coronavirus. May their souls rest in peace. It makes me nostalgic that a view of the playground, the classroom, the corridors are all empty. We all miss you very much, dear students, and the parents who used to be present in large numbers to cheer our children on this annual sports day. I would like to thank God and Ranjana Madam for giving me this opportunity to announce the prize distribution of our teachers. This year, a new thing is started that she gave us an opportunity that we would play instead of the students, and really we all enjoy it to our utmost. Thank you very much. And we will start with the prize distribution. Our teachers participated in this annual sports day with great enthusiasm. I think we all enjoyed it again. Okay, we will start with the prize.
events for teachers so that that competitive spirit, that team spirit is inculcated in us. Also, thanks to all the teachers for your zeal and enthusiasm for making this day special. Also, a special thanks to Akshay sir for organizing such a wonderful event for all of us. You really made us remember our childhood days. Thank you so much. I request our ma'am and Ranjana ma'am to thank Akshay sir for organizing such a wonderful event for us.
Three cheers for Akshay sir.